Meaning of inchoate.
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 Inchoate. The term inchoate refers to something that is not yet fully formed or developed, often describing an idea, plan, or concept that is still in its early stages. In legal terms, it can refer to a crime that has been planned but not yet carried out. The word derives from the Latin incohere, meaning to begin. Inchoate ideas or plans may be incomplete or lack detail, but they hold the potential for future growth and development. It is important to nurture and cultivate inchoate ideas to allow them to evolve into fully fleshed out concepts or plans.